From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at Bitcoin, and it looks like we're going to fall again. Probably only a matter of time before we break this little support area around 19,000. Then you have to start looking at longer term charts. Where could we go? Well, I think we go to 12, maybe even 10,000. Doesn't mean it happens today, but I had said previously I thought maybe this was a bearish flag, looking more and more like that now. Ironically, Bitcoin needs the Federal Reserve to bail it out. Remember when they told us that this was decentralized and it had nothing to do with central banks? Not so much. So loose monetary policy is necessary. We are light years away from that. So my actual trading plan is to let this thing blow up and then wait for signs that the Fed's going to have to loosen monetary policy and then start to accumulate. I'd love to do it closer to 12, maybe even 10,000. Maybe buy a coin or two and then hang on to it. More likely than not, that's probably the way to go. As far as waiting for adoption, I don't know that it's going to be adopted. I live in a metro area of about 4 million people and cannot think of one place that accepts Bitcoin. That's anecdotal evidence, but I know this happens to be a very technologically forefront type of area with a lot of research facility, the exact type of place you would expect to see Bitcoin used. So I think right now it's dead money. Doesn't mean you can't make money on it. Certainly you could short the CFD contracts. You could short the futures contracts. You could wait for an accumulation phase like I'll do. Once we drop down there, I would anticipate that Bitcoin does nothing for a while. And as that's the case, I'll probably buy it $1,000 at a time and build up, maybe 2,000 at a time, build up a couple of coins, and then just wait for it to enter the inevitable bubble phase again, because that's what this market does. Not a lot of institutional adoption yet. There is quite a bit of institutional money that has come in the last year or two. And I can assure you, they're not interested in playing games with something that can lose 60% that quickly.